When starting, you need to spam the delete key first so that the BIOS opens. First, go to the BIOS, then go to CSM support and disable it. After that, restart your PC and go back into the BIOS. And when you're back in the BIOS, go to Secure Boot and activate it there. If it didn't work or you want to know how to activate TPM 2.0, please check the video shown here or go to the description and click the link. See you soon. To activate TPM 2.0, first go to Peripherals. It may be labeled differently, like Expansion. Click on that and look for TPM, PTT, or FTPM in your BIOS settings. That's what you need to enable. After enabling it, save the settings, exit the BIOS, and restart your PC. If it didn't work for you, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to help you. If you want to know how to activate Secure Boot, click on this video or check the description and click the link. See you there.